Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video about our blue treatment caps for our oxalic acid vaporizer. So these blue caps fit other units, but not all of them. So it does fit the Jono's line of vaporizers. I do believe they all are the same. I haven't had somebody tell me that they don't fit a Jono's unit. What I do know for sure though is that the Oxivap line, ProVap, has a much bigger bowl on it, so our treatment caps will not fit theirs. I know that's sad because they're fairly pricey for a cap where, you know, we get a 5-pack of these at a fair price, and people sometimes will buy 4 and 5 packs of them just so they have one per hive, and that would be very costly with those other caps. So that's just one of the things that you kind of have to deal with going with other companies is pricey caps. But I did want to just clear the air and say that these caps do in fact fit the Jono's unit. I know he's got a lot of units out there. I know that they will eventually all need caps to some degree, and I would rather people just buy caps from us than have to buy a whole nother unit just because they need caps. So I want to kind of keep those units going as long as they can. I can't sadly offer repair on those units, but we can offer caps, which will keep you going for the immediate future. So if you're in need and you want to check them out, they'll be found on our website. And if you haven't yet, be sure to check us out on Facebook. I love sharing some pictures and stuff with us in the shop with the family and stuff. It's a lot of fun. We're really enjoying it, and I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. So have a good day.